Hello, beautiful people. How are you all doing? Thank you very much for always supporting me. I really appreciate. If today is the first day you are coming across this channel or you are seeing my face for the first time, I am Agatha Progress channel here on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. In this channel, we react to all videos, and in this channel as well, all opinion is highly needed. So this video we're about to watch, I don't know what you felt about this video, but I do hope you pick success from this video. So here is the video. Let us watch it together, and I'll be right back.
Out for the generality of Biafrans, he will tell this man that land of Biafra belongs to us. The land of Biafra is the land of the ancients. The land of Biafra is our inheritance. And Impostor Buhair is not welcome in Biafra land. On this day, the 9th of September 2021, we shall lock down Biafra, and the whole of Biafra land shall be locked down. The whole of Biafra land shall be locked down on the 9th of September 2021. We must show Buhari that he cannot arrest, he cannot kidnap, he cannot rendition our leader Uzodinma and keep him in the dungeon, underground dungeon of the DSS, and then want to come to our land to laugh at us and to urinate upon the grave of the brave heroes who stood for the life that we live this very day. 9th of September 2021 shall be and is hereby declared a sit-at-home day for the whole of Biafra land, and it shall be implemented. It shall be implemented. This, and I'm making this that everybody should know now. Biafrans must understand that this man has nothing. He has nothing that he's looking for in our land. If after this broadcast, because we are going to shut down Biafra land on the 19th, and they postpone their jamboree, we will also, the day that he will come to Biafra land, to Imo State, we shall continue to lock down even any day that he comes to Biafra land. 8th of Biafra land shall be the way we will declare a sit at home. This man cannot come to our land, and he is not welcome in our land. Therefore, I once again want to, make it very, very, very clear to our traditional custodians and those of them who are the president, especially in Imo State. Mark you this day, 6th of September 2021. Do not show your face. Do not show your face, even if they want to come the following day to a day before this program to come and pick you up with their vehicles. Do not show your face on any event that is being held for the killer of our people, for the man who has arrested our leader, who is incarcerating him, who is not allowing our lawyers to visit him. We do not want to see him in Biafra land. If you try to become part of this, then of course you shall answer to the Biafran people. You shall answer to the Biafran people. The day of reckoning is gradually coming closer, and the quota system administrator in Imo State, the quota system administrator in Imo State, who has gone to Sokoto to be top man, and who is making some noise that he will force our women to marry Fulani people. We are waiting for you. I tell you now, the day of reckoning shall come. You shall answer to the Biafran people, and on that day, nobody will be able to save you. There is something that I need to speak tonight as well, and it is a concern to the leadership of IPOB. And that is this. We have suspended the weekly sit at home. The initial announcement of weekly, monthly sit at home by IPOB leadership, we have suspended it. Why am I saying this tonight? I am saying this tonight because the reports that we are receiving that people are destroying properties of Biafrans in the name of enforcing the Monday sit at home. These are not IPOB people. These are not IPOB family members. These are not ESN. We have not sent anybody to enforce the Monday weekly sit at home. We have not sent anybody. Therefore, anybody who is destroying property that belong to Biafrans, you are on your own. And if the people decide to do anything to you, you are on your own. IPOB cannot and have nothing to do with that. I want to make this very clear. And like I said, we shall be informing their friends of the actions that we have lined up. And some of these actions may be like the one that we are going to have on the night of this month, being Thursday. Some of these actions may be as situations develop. We will, of course, do what is needed to be done. And that is the reason why we are saying here this night. And I'm saying this night that Muhammad, the impostor in the name of Muhammad Buhari, is not welcome in Imo State. He is not welcome in Biafra land, and he better stay away from Biafra land. But Biafrans know how to deal with such people like you. Therefore, on the night, the day you will come, you will see it. Even if you come, you will see that Biafrans have rejected everything that has to do with the zoo. We have rejected the zoo 1,000,000 times more than 100 years back ago. And we will continue to reject it until we have established our sovereign and independent Biafran nation. What I have said about people who are going about destroying people's property, Biafrans must take note of this, because that nobody, we know the hands of the enemy who are working to find a way to stigmatize IPOB leadership. They are looking for a way to dent the image of this hallowed movement that Uzodinma and the kind of put together. People, enemies, are trying too hard to dent our image, but we cannot sit back. We cannot fold our hands and allow them to destroy what we have built with sweat and blood. Heaven to forbid our ancestors, forbid it in the land of Biafra, will forbid them. We are still reading the Psalms, great Biafra. We are still reading the Psalms. And today is the 99th day of our Psalms reading. As our leader has each and every one of us in his prayers and thoughts, so also I am asking each and every one of us to continue in the reading of the Psalms, because it is drawing closer. It is drawing closer, and heaven shall bear witness that we did what is commanded of us. And our children and children's children, they shall tell the stories in the years to come, that these people, they came, and Chukwukabiama was with them, and Chukwukabiama is not. And victory for us is a certain outcome to this struggle which we have embarked upon. I am also this evening, reiterating and once again telling every principal officer, if you are IPOB principal servant, don't let yourself be deceived. Don't let yourself be deceived. It is my desire that all of you who have worked tenaciously, it is my hope that all of you principal servants and non-principal servants alike who have contributed your time, energy, ideas, and means in this struggle. It is my hope that all of you who have assiduously committed to be loyal to the leader of this great movement, that you do not allow yourself to be deceived by anyone. There is no coordinator who shall or who will take instructions if not from a coordinator of a higher rank. I am repeating this because by the time you will see yourself in a difficult situation and sanctions are beginning to be implemented, don't say that you were not warned. Don't say that you did not know. I have said it before. I am repeating it again. If you still have your loyalty to Onyendu, the leader of this movement, who is in charge of this very great movement, if you are loyal to him, you must follow others. If you're not loyal to him, that is fine. That is your cup of tea. That is your prerogative. But you must step aside. Step aside from using IPOB as a cover. Step aside from answering a principal officer in IPOB, and you are at the liberty to pursue Biafra the way you desire, the way you wish, the way you want, the way you know how to. And of course, we will support you wholeheartedly. But under indigenous people of Biafra, if you are within this great family, if you are part of this great family, you must follow instructions. You must obey directives. And you must carry out your duty as you are expected to carry them out, because you are serving the Biafran people, and we do not have time for gossips that is going on everywhere on social media. That is not where you get your information. If anything is not clear to you as a principal servant, ask your next level superior. Ask your next level superior in the coordination hierarchy, and they will give you the answers you require. But if you feed yourself with junk and then you begin to go to your forums to disseminate these junks, you are not doing yourself any good, and you are not doing the people who are under you any good service at all. And we will not let you continue to deceive any of them. Therefore, I will not say exactly what will follow, but I am hoping that tonight and on this date, all of us will advise ourselves properly, that all of us will advise ourselves properly. Wonderful and hard-working Biafrans, I commend all of you for your tenacity so far. I commend all of you for your commitment. In fact, I commend many of you for your words of encouragement. Many of you have given us your words of encouragement as we face this difficult time together. I want to let you know that those words of encouragement, those prayers that you have been praying for us, they are really, really coming handy for us. And I wish to ask you to continue in that path, because our objective is before us. And we all know that our objective, that immediate objective that we have today at this moment is that Oyendu, our leader, must be released unconditionally. Oyendu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, must be released sooner than later so that he shall continue on the path to the restoration of the kingdom of Chukwuabiama on earth. Biafra for us is not just a name. Biafra is our identity. Biafra is our heritage. And of course, Biafra is a religion to most of us. And it is only Chukwuabiama who alone is worthy of praise and worship, Elohim, the Almighty Creator. It is only to him that we bow down our heads, and unto him we kneel and bow our knees. Into his hand I commit our leader Uzodinma Nnamdi Kanu. May Chukwuabiama hasten that he will rejoin us sooner than later. May Chukwuabiama strengthen him. May Chukwuabiama cover him under his protective wings and grant him wisdom as he granted Solomon. And upon all of us who are standing in for him at this very moment, I also ask Chukwuokike to grant us wisdom to do what is right. I ask Chukwuokike to grant us wisdom to walk in truth and in all honesty according to the oath we have taken for this struggle. And I ask Chukwuokike to guide our feet properly and lighten our paths, that we may lead the Biafran people in all truth, in all honesty, towards the restoration of our sovereign nation, Biafra. I wish to say from me, from here, thank you, great Biafrans, and good night to all of you. Thank you.
Yes, this is called action. The way I fall in love with our DOS this time around, oh my word, this is great, because I've been wondering, this man will just come and it will look like they are so weak, like Muhammadu Buhari will be very, very happy when he's going back that, oh, they've captured the leader and no, they don't have voice. With this, oh my word, we are so confident right now. We are so happy, honestly. DOS, we are happy. You guys have done a great job. You put your heads together and brought this great plan, and we really appreciate. And we pray that God will keep giving you people wisdom. Yes, when you people do what is good, we will come out and appreciate it. We will come out and say it to the whole world. We will come out and share it. Thank you very much for this, and we appreciate. And thank you very much to you that always watch my video. Thank you for your support as always on this channel. I really do appreciate. Please, if today's the first time you are coming across this channel, this is Agatha Progress channel here on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. In this channel, we react to all videos, and this channel as well, our opinion is highly needed. So if you know you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. Bye-bye.